Good afternoon, everybody. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead, and we are looking at some hot boxes that we're working on. These are going to be our seed starter boxes. Let's go over and take a look at what we're doing. So these are made. This is half-inch CDX, a 4x8 sheet ripped in half. These are recycled from another project that we ended up taking apart. So it's half-inch CDX, 2x4. These end panels are 3/4 CDX, and these were the brackets that actually held this up when it was being used in something else. They screwed right on there. We put a 2x4 across the top. Our heat mats will go down in here. They are the 48 by 21 inch or 21 3/4 inch, something like that. And based on the product description, they should fit in this area. And so what we'll do is we'll take these back 2x4s off because they are broken, and they do allow, when I say broken, I just mean they're not continuous. And they do allow some flexing in there, so we'll probably put another one on the back of each of the stands. And then it's likely that we are just going to take some painter's plastic, get a couple rolls of painter's plastic, and just stretch painter's plastic across this, or poly drop, and staple it on with a T50 stapler. And I'm hoping that that will do the job, combined with the heat mats, to get our warmer climate plants started. I know a lot of people have started seeds already in the homesteading community. My environment here in zone 6B is not letting me just yet, at least for starting outside. And we just have the one little cheapo greenhouse for now, and it's got beds in it. I had thought about starting the seeds in there, but if I set any kind of tables or anything up in there, there just won't be room to access the rest of the greenhouse, because that is a very small greenhouse. It's like a 10 by 7. So there's not a whole lot of room in there, and these shelves themselves these hot boxes themselves are 8 feet long. So we built 2 of them. We leveled them up basically, and we'll level them up better after the full construction is done. As I said, I am out of material, and so next time I go to town, which I believe is going to be Monday, we can probably pick up the extra couple 2x4s and plastic and stuff that we need. Then we put them on some barrels, fill them with water, not necessarily full, but they do have water in them, just to keep them from falling over, being blown over, or knocked over, or whatever the case is. All right, so that's what we've been working on today. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.